Huge 1.91-inch display for just 1799. 500 nits peak brightness, which means you can easily wear this watch outdoors. Overall, I can say that the interface is really smooth and very responsive. Hi there, here is the newly launched Dizo Watch D2. Guess what the D stands for? Damdar? Dhamakedar? I guess. Anyway, it's priced at just 1799, which I think might derail the competition considering for what all it offers. Huge 1.91-inch display, Bluetooth calling so you can answer and receive phone calls on this watch, 120 plus sports modes, and above all, it's a Dizo, which means you can trust the brand when it comes to their quality products. Really excited to check this one out, so let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Dizo Watch D2. You can see the image of the watch right here. On the side here, you can see some of its key specifications. Towards the back, there's some manufacturing details and the MRP of 5,999. Alright, let's quickly open it up. यार ये डब्बे हमेशा इतने टाइट क्यों होते हैं? Okay, here's the watch itself. We have the user manual. And finally, a pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. Let's check out the build and design. Now first look at the watch and you can see the amazing deep blue color that truly stands out. We get a square dial with a metal frame, matte finish, so it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. On the other side, there's a single button, very nice quality soft silicone straps. You can spot the Dizo branding on the loop, matte silver finish to the buckle. Moving towards the back is made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals up here. If you look closely, you can spot the speaker here, which is going to be helpful for phone calls. And here is a microphone, which means phone quality should be really good. 22mm bands that can be replaced with any third-party bands. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Let's quickly pair the watch. So we take our phone, go to the Play Store and search for the app Dizo Fit. Install. By the way, this app is also available for iOS on the App Store. Once set up, press and hold the button on the side. You'll see the Dizo branding, Dizo Watch D2. Click, confirm on the watch, click allow, go to settings. Once this pops up, make sure you give it access to the contacts so when someone calls you, you can see the caller's name on the watch itself. Click pair. And there you go, the pairing is complete. This watch comes with IP68 rating, so you can wear it in the rain, at the gym, for a run. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button on the side, it will wake up the display. You press it again, it will turn off. Now this is a huge 1.91-inch LCD display, and though we don't know the resolution, I can tell you that the text is really clear, color reproduction is vibrant, and the blacks, as you can see, are also pretty deep. Now a lot of you would want to know about the bezels, so I'll just change to a watch face that goes edge to edge. There you go. Now here you can notice that the lower bezel is a little thicker. The bezels on the side are decent. I won't say they're very slim, but they're not too thick either. Overall, the interface too is really smooth and very responsive. We've seen Dizo smartwatches optimize the softwares really well. In fact, if we switch to a watch face that comes with blacks on the edges, it completely blends in with the bezels. You cannot see anything. Fun fact, the watch comes with over 500 nits of peak brightness. We tested it by wearing it outdoors and it's so clear and crisp. Check that out. Then we also tested a black watch face. Here too, the image is clearly popping out and is very clearly visible. You can easily wear this watch outdoors during the day. The only thing I miss here is an AMOLED display. That would have just been perfect. But surely, it would have been impossible for Dizo to achieve this price with an AMOLED display. So I guess the trade-off is worth it. Let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe right on the home page, you get activity, you get sleep tracking, you get heart rate, you get the weather, you get the music player so you can control the music that's playing on your phone. Press this button to go back to the home page. Swipe right to access the quick toggles. You have do not disturb. You can adjust the brightness levels from here. Then further, this is battery saving mode. Then here's raise the wrist to wake the display, Bluetooth calling for phone call, vibration alert. If you swipe from up, you can access your notifications and missed call alerts. If you swipe from down, you can access the menu, activity data, heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, workouts, workout records. You have alarm, then weather, stopwatch, timer, music player, camera shutter, breathe training, find my phone, flashlight, phone calling, game, In game we have 2048 and Thunder Battleship. Now as you go into 2048, it'll say this will cut the battery life. Continue. Always remember, games will drastically reduce your battery life. But still, it's fun to play when there's nothing else to do. There's also another game which is Thunder Battleship. You can try that as well. In the settings, you have watch faces. These are the pre-installed watch faces that come. More you can download from the companion app. Then you have screen time that you can set from 5 seconds to 20 seconds. Then you have menu style. You can change it from grid style to list style. I prefer the list style. Then you have vibration intensity, QR code, reset, power off, reboot, and about. Overall, I can say that the interface is really smooth and very responsive. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So we take our smartphone, go to the phone calling app. Here you'll see recent call, dial pad and contacts. We'll just go to dial pad and randomly dial a number and click dial. Here you can see the phone call is being dialed. The audio you're hearing right now is from the watch speaker. See how loud and clear it is. Here you can mute the mic, you can transfer this call to the phone, or you can control the volume, and you can end the call directly from the watch itself. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls directly on this watch. You can see the caller's name, you can reject the call, answer the call, or silent the ringer. Now as you answer this call, you can talk directly using your smartwatch. Here you can mute the microphone, you can transfer this call to your phone, you can control the volume of the watch, and you can end the call directly from here. Talking about the call experience, well, firstly, the speaker on the Dizo Watch D2 gets super loud. Might just give competition to your phone speaker. Trust me, it's that loud. Also, we didn't have any problem hearing the other person indoors and outdoors. The caller never complained of any disturbance or echo. So better noise cancellation, so I'm sure the mics do a great job. I can easily recommend this watch for phone calling. We also receive app alerts where you can see the app icon, sender's name, and the message too. Very clear and crisp. Now I want to take a minute and talk about fit and feel. The watch weighs 42 grams and it's very comfortable. Provides a really good grip on your wrist. Also, raise the wrist to wake the display is very responsive. It's almost instantaneous and works every time. Quick tip, as you can see, if you cover the display, it will turn off, which also helps save battery. Coming to health monitoring. Well, we placed the watch on the table to check for the sensors and it said measure failed, wear the watch and try again. We wore it and tested the heart rate sensor. We even tested the SpO2 sensor and we got the readings for both. However, I always say this, these are just smartwatches, so use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to workouts, this watch comes with over 120 workout modes. To access it, you need to go to the menu, scroll down to workouts, you'll see running, walking, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, dancing, baseball, indoor training, free training, and so many more other things. Outdoor activities, training, dance workouts, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports. There's a huge collection. Now when you start your workout, there will be a countdown. Then you'll see the duration of your workout, steps taken, distance in kilometers, calories burnt, beats per minute, then whether you have a light workout or intensive workout, and from here you can pause the workout or end the workout. Extremely easy. Coming to the battery, well, we get a 260 mAh battery and Dizo claims it will last for about 7 days. But remember, if you use it all the time for Bluetooth calling, it will be drastically lesser, maybe 1 to 2 days maximum. So keep that in mind. Let's have a quick look at the Dizo Fit companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see all your workout and health related data, steps taken, sleep tracking, heart rate, 24-hour heart rate, SpO2, outdoor workouts with GPS. In devices, you can see the battery percentage, then you have watch faces. Here are the watch faces that come pre-installed. If you want to install more, you come to more watch faces. You'll find over 150 plus watch faces, digital, analog, some for soccer, some for Christmas, all depending on the time and mood. In fact, there's even an Apple watch face right here. And there you go, the watch face has been set. Now, if you want custom watch face, you come to edit, you choose an image from the phone gallery, and there you go, custom watch face is set. Now further back, push messages, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. You can set alarms, camera control, quick contacts. In others, you can choose the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours, units, continuous heart rate monitoring can be turned off or set to 30-minute interval. Then there's raise the wrist to wake, drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, menstrual cycle reminder for women. And if you come into me, here you can actually share data with Google Fit. Here you can see, which is really helpful. Overall, I'd say it's a very simple and easy to use interface. Alright, final thoughts, and I'll start with the cons. I so wish this watch came with thinner bezels and an AMOLED display. But again, it all comes down to the price. This Dizo Watch D2 is priced at just $1,799, and for that price, it has already packed in so much for you. Metal body, huge display, Bluetooth calling, 120 sports modes, IP68 waterproof rating. और क्या चाहिए? By the way, $1,799 is an introductory price for the first sale. After that, the price will be $1,999. So make sure you grab it on the first sale, which is on the 10th of February at 12 p.m. on Flipkart. By the way, just realized this also makes for an excellent Valentine's Day gift. So you can definitely consider this. I'll share the links for these watches and all its color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.